Welcome to Everyday English Talk. Today, join Emma and Jack as they take the bus for the first time in their city. You'll learn useful vocabulary, answer interesting questions, and enjoy a fun, relatable story. Let's begin.
Meet Emma and Jack, two friends who live in the same city but have different routines. Today, they both need to take the bus for the first time to get to their new jobs. They meet at the bus stop early in the morning, feeling slightly nervous. Emma looks at the bus schedule on her phone and says, "I think we need to catch the 12 bus. It's the fastest route to my office." Jack checks his phone and agrees, "Yes, that's the one. Let's make sure we get on the right bus." When the bus arrives, they wait in line and politely greet the driver. Jack asks, "Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Park?" The driver smiles and replies, "Yes, it does. Just take a seat and relax." Emma and Jack thanked the driver and found 2 empty seats near the window. As the bus starts moving, Emma looks out at the passing streets. She notices signs like "Next stop," "Please take your seat," and "Exit only." She tells Jack, "I'm glad I'm learning new vocabulary for taking the bus. It's helping me with my English too." During the ride, the bus makes a few stops. Jack observes people getting on and off, some of them speaking to the driver or asking about the route. He practices his own English by listening to their conversations. When the bus reaches their stop, Emma says, "This is our stop, Jack." They both get off together, feeling proud of their first successful bus ride. Jack says, "That wasn't so hard. We should do this every day." Emma agrees, smiling. "I think we'll get better at it with practice. See you tomorrow."
Vocabulary words with definitions and examples. Route,
Definition: the specific path or direction a bus follows to reach its destination. Example: Emma asked if the bus route included Central Park.
stop,
Definition: a designated place where buses pick up or drop off passengers. Example: Jack got off the bus at his stop near the park.
fare,
Definition: the money paid for a journey on public transport. Example: Emma used her card to pay the fare before sitting down.
destination,
Definition: the place where someone is going. Example: their destination was Central Park, where Jack had a meeting.
line up,
Definition: to stand in a queue while waiting for something. Example: passengers lined up to board the bus politely.
questions with answers. What number bus did Emma and Jack need to take?
Answer: they needed to take the 12 bus.
Why did Emma and Jack feel nervous at the bus stop?
Answer: because it was their first time taking the bus.
What did Emma check on her phone?
Answer: she checked the bus schedule to confirm the route.
What did Jack ask the driver?
Answer: he asked if the bus would go to Central Park.
How did they feel after the ride?
Answer: they felt proud of their first successful bus ride.
Thank you for watching. Watch the video again to practice the words and learn more. If you liked it, click the button, share it with friends, and subscribe to Everyday English Talk for more fun stories. See you next time.